Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Locknetics 434 Powerbolt surface-mounted electric deadbolt. The 434 is the, well, this is the body. It's a series of components. I'll show it to you one at a time. It's the interior of it. We have the 4 screws attached for the housing, which I'll show you in a moment. The solenoid. This is a fail-safe model, meaning that when the power goes out, the lock will be unlocked. It's in the aluminum finish. Access hole back here for wiring. This is the shroud, the aluminum shroud that would finish the item off. If it's on like that, I don't have it all the way on because the screws, again, are screwed in. Surface mount block for the strike. And a screw pack. You get a couple of screws for the attaching of the block. Then you've got some pan head screws here. The long ones are for the strike or the block. The short ones, the short pan head ones, are to attach the Powerbolt through the backside onto whatever it is that you're attaching it to. This is a discontinued item. These are actually hard to come by. I happen to have one in stock at this time. If the item is available and is in stock, there will be a price above and you'll be able to check out. If the item is discontinued at the time you're viewing this, it'll have a 0 price and say discontinued where the availability is. 12 volt is what the solenoid has. 12 volt DC would be typical. 0.6 amps. 6 3/4 overall height, 2 inch by 2 inch is typical. If you have any questions on the Locknetics 434 Powerbolt or any other Locknetics, now Schlage Electronics item, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.